Hi everyone, this is Robert. I just want to share my experience after 3 months of ownership of this 2023 Bronco Outer Band Sasquatch. I have been having this for 3 months, and there has always been this problem that bothers me a lot. That is a ticking noise in the back of the cargo area whenever I go over bumps. So if I'm in a vehicle driving, whenever I hit a bump in the back of the wheel, it'll always give me a semi-loud ticking noise. And today I finally realized that the ticking noise is coming off of this wheel over there. And the reason why the ticking noise is there is because these three lug nuts over here were not torqued to spec. So they're supposed to be 41 pound-feet of torque, but for some reason they're very loose. So I took out my torque wrench, and then after I readjusting it to 41 pound-feet of torque, the noise was able to disappear when I go over bumps. And again, it's right over here. These three lug nuts, it should have been a lot tighter so that there wouldn't be any movement when you're going over bumps. Another thing I want to share with you is these four wheels, the working wheels, they are not properly torqued as well. So I would strongly recommend you, if you just received or you just took delivery a 2023 Ford Bronco, that you want to check all the torque specs. These ones, the four on the ground should be 100 foot-pound of torque, pound-feet of torque, and the one in the back, the spare one, should be 41. All right, thank you very much for watching. You have a good day.